Hello and welcome to Sing Geek. My name is Rania Peterson and today I'm excited because you're going to learn how to sing in your head voice. First things first, let's find your head voice and then we can train it together afterwards. Now, your voice has two main registers that it likes to work in. It has your chest voice, which is where you speak, and your head voice, which is not where that many people speak, but it's what we use to add beautiful color to your song. There's a few ways to find your head voice. And one that I found that works really nicely for my students is when they remember how it feels. You know when you're trying to sing high and powerful and your voice breaks into that lighter sound? That's your head voice, and it can get really beautiful and nice when you practice it. So let's try and find it together. We're going to sing with kind of a full sound all the way up until our voice breaks into the head voice. Let's try it. Ah, head voice. If that was a little bit hard, there's other ways. And this one is a little bit silly. I want you to imitate the sound of an owl. So you're just gonna go ahead. Hoo, 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 hoo. Head voice. Another way you can try and use is sing like a siren. So you're just gonna go wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. You can already hear, right? There's the head voice, the chest voice, ha, and there's the head voice, hoo. And there's really these two voices. So try these three things out and use them a few times. Great, so now let's train your head voice together. We're going to sing along with the track on an oo vowel, like in the word moon. Once you get used to this track, you can train it just with the piano track. I'll link to it here. And you can just sing along with that, and you can try with different vowels, like the E vowel in the word see, or ah, like in the word father. Those are also great vowels to train your head voice in. So let's get started. So now that you have trained your head voice, you should find some songs and have fun singing those. And in my blog, I actually have some suggestions, so I'll link to those below. It's both for male singers and female singers. And if you are new to this channel, I would love to have you subscribe and become part of the Sing Geek community so that we can keep geeking out on your voice.